Alright, hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. I'll show you to fix this issue where your PC is showing shutting down, but of course it's not shutting down. Now of course you're waiting, and problem here is that this issue will persist constantly. The PC will just not shut down. Alright, and that's usually because there are background processes that's causing the PC not to shut down. Now do note, before you attempt this, I'm not responsible for any damages to your device. Only attempt this at your own risk. Now of course, do note that there's a hard drive in this laptop, and usually if it's shutting down and there's a process that's holding the shutdown process, it will hang indefinitely. It just will not stop. Of course there's a way to get around it, but of course it does run the risk in some cases that you might damage your hard drive in that if you do the following. Alright, so I'm going to show you what you can do. Alright, so the thing I found in these cases is if you wait, it will never stop. So go ahead, find your power button. So that's the power button there. You're going to press and hold. Simply press, count to 60 seconds, or you can just estimate 60 seconds. Alright. Alright, I'm going to let go. Alright, see, I didn't hold it long enough. So all that happened is that the screen went blank. So we're going to count this time. So make sure you hold it long enough. If you do not hold it long enough, it will not work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. To verify that it's off, go ahead and press. See? So if you hold it for too short of a time, it will not shut off. But you notice for 60 seconds, it's now off, I'm sure. All sounds and all lights will be off. Then you're going to long press the power button for about 10 seconds. And let go. Alright, so chances are there was something holding up the PC. If it's a small file, it should cause no damage. However, as I said, there is a small chance, or in some cases, if you do this, it could damage the hard drive. I'm quite comfortable doing this with my PCs when I see it hanging for no reason. If you do take it to the shop, they'll do the same thing. So of course, you'll have to try this at your own risk, and of course, that's it. So you notice now the PC is back up, and let's see if it will log in. Alright, there we go, good as new. So it's back up. So you see, it was very simple, and of course all we had to do was just do that and we're back up, and it's fully functional, no damages at all. Alright, do hope this was helpful. Please share your comments, and as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Until next time, bye.